pi poi ba ko jupe ya channel jong jat sai menta nak kalian ke jongi kumbami latip SSLC kelas dang menta kasi te ngadon menta hang ni akawe school pelarim tam halaban kadai halaban bagi girls high secondary school bat harje keren men vice principal ilai ko bahang ni menta ki pedang ya khat pratali ki school tiba na kaleng jong halaban area bat kunju salung paring bat lau sotun te kadi ka main center ba ban ong no ki poi hadu live pa prapo ar ngut ki Khynnah version menta kana ja exam te na kaleng jongi ni keren ru bat ki Khynnah ki ban bayale ya ka exams te menta ki dang don chapo ki don peladap ki don padam te sibet on ki ladap paro ni la banyak keren bi WR ne kali kalong komno paper menta ka snam bat ki ka jing kwa jo ki Khynnah school ka be dei bat ka kom kho exams
ring video.
Ay, tapet mo. Hakini ki pore. Ki bon ki election campaign ki katu ka pentut na me karu kam pule kat jongpe.
Em da pentut bhara. Pau menen ngapet you ki election hat TV. Tamba da effect kan ha.
Na saba na sini stay.
Em. Kam da sawara. Tang janmit tu lai sedang pen bom hatu ko pori. Dalam da effect ra su. Ngasukre baik kon da effect kan ra ki jing sawai da you da.
Ka jing don rong covid ni ka asnam pi kumno does it affect
ka affect hi kam tam last year po bangale exam jo ka class 9 te affect ba menta pat belas dang late hi school ai te da affect kan syura class dang biang ka you sangya ha hi ka jebing menta
sangya la jebing kawan school you St. John la nam exams kalam na paper huh?
It was good only.
It was good.
Yeah.
Sophie?
For election there is effect because lots of sound, noise, and music. So
Okay. Does it affect you?
Yeah.
Lam na ka paper. Biang. Ka nam ya. Sung. Kami nam kijing kali kat kumki question paper baladam.
Ya.
Kawiru.
Kawiru kumira.
Kamu minta ka long thamai lun. Taka overall jong phi kat kum garum pet phi ka ni ka paper ka I sok ne ka kham e ne.
Sok.
Kini ki paper ki banawan sahabat phi expect kum no.
Kan
Next paper dik Science. Kum no ka jing konkret si.
Science ka
Tam ka paper ha matric apa pet phi dik
Science.
Kamu next paper ba ba.
Ya.
Tah dan bak ma. Ka kot ba ma. Tah.
5.
How's the paper?
5. Good.
So,
60-70%. It affect a bit.
How?
Sometimes when I study, the noise used to come. No, it used to disturb and studies. Then I used to take some time rest. Then when the noise stopped in 15-10 minutes, then I used to study back.
See, the election campaign has been going on a month. So there were a lot of loud noise here and there. Does it affect?
Yeah, a bit yesterday it was disturbing.
Disturbing?
A bit, yeah. But it was good. Only for half an hour. No disturbance.
What about you?
Yes, it did affect it. Like only for half an hour, just he said like that only. But
Yeah, these past few.
Only yesterday it was a bit disturbing.
Only yesterday, no? Because celebration. No?
yes.
Okay, good
Rallies
luck.
were going on, that's why.
Huh?
Rallies were on, that's why.
That's all.
I'm Vijay Lakshmi Dey, officer in charge, 11 Member Girls High Secondary School, Shillong. 18.
18 school.
Yes.
So this is the
Center for SSLC examination. And 11 Member Boys, that is the center for 8 SSLC. 82 candidates are appearing here.